Healthcare costs and medications are skyrocketing, leaving many people without affordable access to basic medications. That is why rNetwork has added America's pharmacy source to our health marketplace. A new program option providing affordable prescriptions and helpful information to its members. Offering savings on high-quality, everyday, chronic, and immediate need medications, including over-the-counter medications at lower prices than pharmacies and big-box stores. In-person or online with free home delivery. We have experienced professional pharmacists who can review prescriptions, offer advice, recommend affordable alternatives, and fulfill new orders. And all medications are sourced right here in the U.S. It's estimated that over 34 million Americans suffer from diabetes, and over 88 million are pre-diabetic. With Save on Diabetes, members can receive tremendous savings on diabetic supplies, including a free glucose meter, low-cost testing strips, lancets, and more. rNetworkHealth, America's pharmacy source. Revolutionizing the way you think about pharmacy programs and drug pricing. rNetwork. The bigger we get, the better it gets.